there is a timeless simplicity to the pull of home. For many, the idea of home reaches beyond a physical building, to hometown or city. This Christmas, I think of London and Manchester, whose powerful identities shone through over the past 12 months in the face of appalling attacks. In Manchester, those targeted included children who had gone to see their favourite singer. A few days after the bombing, I had the privilege of meeting some of the young survivors and their parents. So you come especially for the concert, did you?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. The birthday present.
Oh, was it? Oh, right.
Very scary.
Very wicked.
Mm.
And, to target that sort of thing.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, it's awful, but hopefully they'll mend.
Yes.
We'll get better.
But it's very interesting how everybody has united, haven't they, here?
It's been amazing, really.
Mm. I described that hospital visit as a privilege because the patients I met were an example to us all, showing extraordinary bravery and resilience. Indeed, many of those who survived the attack came together just days later for a benefit concert. It was a powerful reclaiming of the ground and of the city those young people call home. Reflecting on these events makes me grateful for the blessings of home and family, and in particular for 70 years of marriage. I don't know that anyone had invented the term platinum for a 70th wedding anniversary when I was born. You won't expect it to be around that long. Even Prince Philip has decided it's time to slow down a little, having, as he economically put it, done his bit. But I know his support and unique sense of humour will remain as strong as ever as we enjoy spending time this Christmas with our family and look forward to welcoming new members into it next year.